Welcome to HDI Handyman. Today I was working on the the shower valve. It was leaking and needing to be replaced. I installed this whole unit here 20 years ago, and apparently the valve that's behind here, which you can see in this image here, I had put in, and this is just another one that I had, so it'll be taken back. This is Delta equipment, and the problem that I was having is water started leaking from the bottom of my spout, and through further investigation I found out that this possible cause was the valve inside of here, more specifically the O-rings that's on the bottom of this valve were worn out. So I replaced that, and then I discovered that water was still coming out from around behind my spout. So I'm thinking, what in the world? The valves wasn't a problem, but the valves were the problem because they were 20 years old. They just haven't broke yet. The problem actually turned out being the spout itself. The diverter wasn't operating properly. So you're supposed to pull that up, and when the water's turning on, that stays up by itself. Shower comes out the top, and we're all familiar with that. And increasingly amount of water was coming from down here. I mean, it was a steady stream, probably an inch wide. Greatly concerned about it running behind the structure and getting down behind my fiberglass tub and, damaging equipment and property underneath in the bad place you don't want to work in your crawl space. So anyway, we pulled off that valve, and I want to encourage you to look at the attached pictures that I have of the process that I went through. And anyway, we got the new shower spout installed, and it operates perfectly. No water from here or from here, and you pull the diverter. No water coming from the spout, no leaking around the back. Shower head's functioning normally, so we're good to go. All right, have a great day.